What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today we got a Supreme live cop drop cop, you whatever, name it, whatever. So today we're gonna be trying to cop for the Nike SB collabs. Those are probably gonna resell for a lot, so that's what I'm gonna try to get. I am using 2 new credit cards, so I don't know if I'm gonna get declined. And also, if you guys want a shout out of your channel up in the screen, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment. And usually the first comment's gonna get a shout out of their channel on the screen, so let me know if you guys want me to do that. And I'm gonna also be using a bot. I'm gonna review a bot, you know, Force Cop back then, so I'm gonna try to do that. So right now what I'm doing is refreshing, because you know I have to get it early. Yeah, this page is taking a while to refresh. I'll probably skip it to the part where I don't have to refresh anymore. So just keep refreshing. I need to, oh, there we go, look, it shows right here. Oh, come on, why doesn't it appear on the other page? Oh, the other one's still loading. It's a good thing to put Supreme New York / shoes. I could make a video of like tips and tricks about using Supreme if you guys want. I don't know why the other page is not loading. Both of them are not loading. The site's going pretty slow. I guess you guys had it. Let me see. Let me know if you guys copped the W, copped the L. You know, at this point I'm trying to get it in my size. It was just in case they don't resell, like for me to wear it, but I knew they were gonna resell. Doesn't let me add to cart. Add. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. I mean, for some of you, you're probably not having it in the landing page. This shit is lagging. I'm trying to get it in my size again. Nada. Oh. Check out. Does it work? Doesn't work. What about the other page? Oh, there we go. Let me put my card. Fuck, it didn't fill. Fuck, my information didn't fill. Let's see if the other side works. That's a cart. Keep in mind I do have 2 different informations on each tab. Let me try to get the card info from this. Put it there. What was the CVV? Okay, that's processing. Let me add this to cart. Wait, did I click it? Oh, I didn't click it. Oh, there we go. Now we're processing. Fuck. It says it's in what? Why does it say it's in my cart? I mean, this happened to me last season, but it usually gave me order confirmation after. And I caught the pair. Fuck, I gotta do this shit again. Oh, I gotta stop the cursing, because you know the algorithm. Yeah, so let me know if you guys enjoy this shit. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing this shit weekly. I'm also be doing sneaker releases and mostly giveaways, because I'm trying to get some bots for you guys to give away, so it's easier for you. The other one keeps saying please wait. This one's not even loading up. I don't even know what it's doing. Oh, it's sold out. Fuck. Oh, no, it's not. Yes, it is. Wait, what? That's my size. I had that shit in cart. I don't know why they didn't let me. Now it says it is in cart. Yo, Supreme is fucking crazy. Could I check out both? I'm gonna try to go for the I forgot what it's called, but the type jacket, the windbreaker type. Try to go for that. I'm gonna try to go for a different colorway. These shoes are probably sold out, but I'm gonna keep trying. Cause so far I haven't got like through. I'm gonna try to get the red one, I think. Yeah, and a large, cause usually extra larges and smalls sell really good. So there you have it. I'm giving away all my tips. So just add to cart. Add to cart. Okay, there we go. Let me check out now. Put in my info. It didn't save, I think, but I still have it saved, I think. Yeah, these shoes are sold out. These shoes, oh no, these shoes are not gone. Oh, wait, no, that's cart. Oh wait, but I don't want these. Fuck. What? I got cardigan. Fuck. Check out on both. Check out on both. Yeah, this is a goner. Fuck the shoes. Let me add this shit. At least I'm at least trying to take 1W. If I get 1W, I'll be good. Fuck me. Card decline. I don't know why I keep getting card decline. Probably because I'm using new cards, but that's about it. I'll have to call my bank. I never usually had to call my bank. I usually use a debit. This is the first time I'm using 2 credit cards. I'm gonna try to go for this again. Yes, medium. I don't care. I'm just gonna cop anything. I'm trying to cop anything at this point. I'm gonna. Oh my god, my information is not filled out. Yeah, so let me know if you guys want like info of how to like cop and all that, and if I manage to get some bots for you, I'll probably give them away and then make another video update version of because I had a version of Force Cop, but I'll make an update version, like a tutorial. So let me know if you guys want that. I also have a discount code if you want Force Cop. I think it still works. If I'm pretty sure, I'll check, but you could try. It's BARLOS at checkout. So when it asks you for a promo code, just put BARLOS. Let's see if this checks out. What? Oh my god, this shit sold out. Fuck. You being that ass. I'm gonna cop with L, 2 L's. Could at least get a jacket. I'm about to kill myself. That's not even a jacket. Process payment. No, what? Why I keep getting declined? Okay, let's try to see if this card goes. This is the Apple card, the new Apple card. Let's see if this shit works. Oh my. Yep. I think I'm just gonna keep getting declined. I'm gonna keep trying though. Decline season started. Let me know if you guys got declined or you were able to cop. I don't know. It's probably just me because of my cards. I'll probably try to go back on the debit again. Let's see if this works one more time. It's a good thing to memorize your cards too, because you can just fill it in if you don't have it. Like, you don't have to go back and forth or like trying to remember it. You get me? If you know the CVC is the most important one to memorize, because that usually doesn't fill out in autofill. Just taking forever. Oh my god. And it's sold out. It's sold. Oh no. That's correct. Check out. my, okay, yep, caption. It's probably because I was trying too much. I could also teach you guys how to bypass capture if you guys want. I mean, it did show up there, but that was because I tried like after like 6 times. Yeah, I think I cop it now. Everything's probably sold out. Even that shirt is sold out. Oh wait, no, why are these sitting? Oh, these are sitting. I don't know if I should go for them. I'm gonna try to cop a beanie, see if I get card decline off that. I swear to God, if I get card decline, I'm gonna get tight. Are you fucking? Oh my God! I'm gonna. You know what? I'm gonna just stop. I'm gonna stop trying. I'm gonna really stop trying. Like right now, I'm just gonna stop. So yeah, let me know if you guys took a L, took a W, or took 2 W's or 2 L's. I don't know. Let me know what you guys copped in. Yeah, if you want a shout out, just be the first one to comment. I'll be doing post notification shout outs, so if you want to shout out your channel, you can shout it out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. It helps the algorithm, and yeah.